In Blender, duplication can be done in two powerful ways. Today, let's explore Alt plus T, the linked duplicate shortcut. Most people use Shift plus T to duplicate objects. If your scene is with low poly and low scene, it works well. But when it comes to complex objects like forest scenes, the Blender will definitely crash. Let's look here. I have added a tree and let me enable statistics. Here you can see the count details. Let's see, we have a faces of 44,000. Let's duplicate it by using Shift plus T. See the face count doubled. Let's duplicate it again. See the face count keep on duplicating, the file size increases and it will definitely crash the Blender. So when you press Alt plus T, Blender creates a new copy of your object. But here is the difference. This duplicate shares the same mesh data as the original. See the face count, it is same after I duplicated the object of two times as well. That means if you edit the geometry of one, all linked duplicates update instantly. It's like having multiple versions of the same object, but only storing one mesh in memory. Transformations such as moving, rotating, or scaling are independent. You can make those changes. So each copy can be placed uniquely in your scene. This makes Alt plus T perfect for repeating objects like chairs, trees, or lamps, where you want consistency but also flexibility in positioning. Using Alt plus T not only saves time but also reduces file size and keep your project optimized. And if you ever want to make a linked object independent, you can make it. So select the object, choose objects, relations, single user, object and data. Now you can edit the geometry for the link breaked object. So mastering this shortcut will make your Blender workflow faster and smarter. Don't forget to subscribe for more tricks.